Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace an image in a Canva frame. As you can see, I already have a frame here and I just used an image I found on Canva. To replace an image, all you have to do is choose the new one that you want to use and then just drag it inside of the frame. If you want to remove this image, you can just right-click and choose Detach Image. Alright, this is how to replace an image in a Canva frame. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.